Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by pairing the Xbox controller to your phone. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the controller has power. Once paired, open the App Store or Play Store and update Roblox so controller input is recognized. Next, launch Roblox but do not join a game yet. Go to Roblox settings and check for any controller toggle. Doing this early prevents surprises later and makes sure the input mapping will load when you enter a compatible game. Once in a compatible game, allow a few seconds for the controller to initialize and for Roblox to detect it. Open the in-game settings and look for controller mapping or sensitivity options. Remap buttons if default layout feels awkward. Then test core actions: movement, camera, jump, and the pause/menu button. If the camera is inverted or too slow, adjust sensitivity scales. Doing small tweaks now saves frustration during play and keeps controls predictable. To finish, save any custom mappings and replay a short segment to confirm everything behaves as expected. Then you're ready to play. If buttons don't respond, repair the controller through phone Bluetooth, fully close Roblox, and relaunch the app. Also test another Roblox game to check compatibility versus a single title. One key troubleshooting tip: clear Roblox cache or reinstall the app if input is inconsistent. This often resolves lingering detection or mapping errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.